I'm Josh Bowen. I do photography, tree surgery. A few years ago, my grandma died, and this was a course that was basically reminding me of her. My grandma was very good at knitting, so that's a lot of what she did, and she would have wholeheartedly supported me being involved in this kind of thing. I used to get to make me custom stuff and I'd wear it, so yeah, I'd wear it. Yeah, as you know, I've made it, so why not? I'll give it a wear. So try it out and see how it goes, and if I don't like it, I can always make a new one, can't I? So I just learned how. So lots of things that I've learned at home on my own, but why learn it at home on your own if you could learn it with others as well? I like short courses. I much prefer learning on a short course than I do learning on a 6 months of hard study. I like a week of hard study and then a lot of experience going out there and doing it.